Hello and welcome to Guide Glimpse. So in this video I will do an honest review of NordPass Password Manager. So let's begin the video. Let's talk about, is the password manager really trustworthy? And here you can ditch passwords for passkeys. This offers more secure and seamless way to log into your account. And here you can protect your data with end-to-end encryptions. NordPass uses XCHA20 encryptions with its zero knowledge, ensuring only the authorized user can access the sensitive data. And here you also have different compatible apps, and here you can boost your security with built-in authenticators. And the latest and most important feature is monitor potential data breaches, and here if your information is leaked by any chance, they will alert you. The most important feature that they have launched is dark web monitoring. I will tell you about this later in the video. The home page, and you can see this plus option on the top. Here you can see the option add password, and you can add your password here. For that you have to write the title, like here if we write here Netflix, and here you have to write your username or email. You can go with your username here, so just do that. After that, here you have to write the password that you have used for that account, and if you have not yet created any password, then you can go and you can click on generate password and you can generate one here. Here if you will go and you will write any password, this website will tell you if it's a weak password or strong password. You can see that now it's a moderate, before that it was weak. Then try adding some numbers. You can see that still is a moderate, but when you will add a specific letter here like @ or other specific letters, then it will convert into a strong password. You can also generate password here. For that you have to select here the character, how many characters you want. You can select here minimum 8 and maximum 64. Just go with 8. Now here you have more options. You can turn off capital letters if you don't want any, and you can also turn off the digits if you don't want the digits, and same for the symbol, you can follow that. Here they are saying that this is a moderate password, so you can increase the length maybe to make it a strong. Now it's a strong password and good to go. And here you also have words where you can add 3 minimum words, and if you talk about maximum, here the maximum is 10 words. I will just go with 3, and here you can separate words with, here you have many options. You have hygiene, underscore, space, comma, and all these things. You can do that. Have these separate words with, you can choose here hygiene, underscore, space, comma, period. I will just go with comma here, or maybe space. And similarly here you have this use capital letters where you can use that, or you can turn that off if you want to. And here you can also use the digits, and here you can see that a strong password has been created, and you can also regenerate as many times as you want. And here you can also copy once you are satisfied. And here if you click on this history option on the top, here you can see all your history, your previously created password, you can see here, and you can also view from here. You can copy that and you can delete that from here, and if you're okay satisfied, you can use that. For that, simply click on this use option. You can see that our password has been generated. Here you can also add website or apps. You can do that by one click. And here you can also add different fields. Here you have text, hidden text, date, and once you are done, you can click on save. And here you can see that our password has been added here, and you can use that securely, safely. Similarly, here you can attach files or you can share that. And here you can also see this more option. When you click on that, here you can see more options like view history, move to trash. You can do that from here. Now let's talk about how you can get a passkey. For that, click on browser, and here you have this passkey option. You can click on that and you can create one. And here you have the secure notes and all the features. And if you talk about this data breaching option, you can see this here. And here you can scan the web for data breaching, and you will get notified when there will be any alert or something. With the help of the email masking, you can protect your email address from security threats and spams. Writing passwords with hand manually will take a lot of time, so you can also import your password from different websites. Like here, if you go to setting, here you have import from Google Chrome or import from other tool. You can do that by just one click, and you can import your passwords. Now here you can also see their plans. They also offer free plans and paid plans. Here you can see their premium plan, their family plans as well. In the free plan, you don't have access to more security features like breach scanners, email masking. In the premium and family, you have access to these security features. So if you want a 100% secure network, then you can buy their subscription plans because they will help you a lot. Now here I will go and I will read the reviews of different people for you guys. I needed. I have been using NordPass for about a week now. I have used it at home, at work, on Safari, Chrome, at Edge. I would say I am a heavy user because of all the passwords I need to use at home and work. So far the service is what I expected. Love the app. Great app. One issue, so let's read what's the issue he was facing. Only the issue is since getting a new phone, I am logged out of the app and need to sign in every time I want to access my saved password. You can see best password manager. Many people are satisfied with that, but some are not. So here you can see this review. Well intentioned but somewhat unstable. These negative reviews are not about the security, they are just about the login issue or some other issue that people are facing. If you want to use a secure and easy to use password manager, then this NordPass is for you. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.